Stop whatever you're doing for one moment and listen closely. In the next few seconds, I am going to show you a simple method that can improve your English faster than almost anything else. It does not require a teacher, a classroom, or expensive materials. You can do it at home, in your car, on a walk, or at the supermarket. It is called the shadowing method, and if you learn how to use it correctly, you can train your brain and your mouth to speak English more naturally than ever before.
A lot of students hear about shadowing and think it sounds confusing or difficult, but it is actually simple. It just needs good guidance, clear steps, and real examples from everyday life. That is what we will do together today. By the time we finish this lesson, you will understand how to use shadowing every day to become more confident, more fluent, and more natural in English.
Before we begin, take a moment and think about this question. How many times have you learned English grammar or vocabulary but still felt stuck when trying to speak? How many times have you known the right words in your head, but your mouth could not say them fast enough? This problem happens because you have learned English with your brain, but not with your mouth. The shadowing method fixes that because it trains your brain and your mouth at the same time.
Shadowing means listening to English and repeating it at the same time. Not after, not later, at the same time. You copy the rhythm, the sound, the stress, and the flow of real English speech. It is similar to singing along with a song. When you sing along, you do not wait until the singer finishes the line. You join in at the same time. Shadowing works the same way.
Let's start with something simple. Listen to this short sentence and try to repeat with me immediately. I am walking to the store. That is your first shadowing practice. Do not wait. Do not stop yourself. Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is training your mouth to move in English.
Many English learners freeze because they think they must speak perfectly. But shadowing is practice, not performance. You do not need to sound perfect. You just need to speak. Think of shadowing like exercise. When you exercise, your muscles do not look perfect. You are building strength. With shadowing, you are building speaking strength.
Another important thing to remember is this. Shadowing must be consistent. Doing it for 5 minutes every day is better than doing it once a week for 1 hour. Small daily practice creates large, long-term results. Your brain learns fastest through repetition and routine. So if you can shadow every day, even for a few minutes, you will improve faster than you think.
Now, let's walk through a real beginner-friendly shadowing routine. Pretend you are starting your day. You wake up, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, and get ready. I will say simple sentences, and you will shadow them with me. This helps you learn vocabulary you can use immediately in your real life.
Repeat with me. I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am getting dressed. I am eating breakfast. I am leaving my home. I am going to work. As you shadow these sentences, your brain starts to connect English with actions in your daily life. This builds automatic speaking ability.
Now, let's switch to conversational shadowing. You will shadow both George and me. Even if it feels fast, keep going. The speed pushes your brain to respond faster. Listen and speak at the same time. Here we go.
How are you today?
I am doing well. How about you?
I am feeling good. I slept well last night.
That is great. What are you planning to do today?
I am going to the supermarket after work.
I need to go to the supermarket too.
Maybe we can go together.
Sure, that sounds good.
These are simple sentences, but they are powerful because they match everyday conversation. Shadowing them helps you think faster and respond naturally.
One of the biggest problems beginners face is slow thinking. Shadowing helps reduce the gap between thinking and speaking. If you have ever tried to say something in English and felt stuck searching for words, shadowing is the solution. It gives your brain a prepared library of sounds and phrases you can use without effort.
Let's practice with real-life situations. Imagine you are at work. You talk to a coworker. Shadow these sentences with me. I am checking my email. I am finishing a report. I am answering messages. I am talking to my manager. I am helping a customer. I am taking a break. I am leaving the office.
These simple daily actions become easier to say as you shadow them repeatedly. Over time, you will be able to speak faster and with more confidence because the sentences become familiar patterns in your mind.
Now, let's do a conversation shadowing drill for work.
What are you working on?
I am finishing this project. And you?
I am writing an email to my manager.
Are you busy today?
A little, but I can manage.
Do you want to take a break soon?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Excellent. When you shadow this kind of exchange, you learn real phrases you can use immediately. Many students think they need advanced grammar to speak English well, but that is not true. Simple, clear English is better for real communication.
Shadowing also helps pronunciation. When you shadow, your mouth follows the rhythm and sound of natural English. You begin to learn where to stress words, how to connect words, and how to soften sounds. For example, English often connects words together. Instead of saying, I am going to eat, a native speaker might say, I'm gonna eat. You can shadow both styles to improve your listening and speaking.
Let's do a quick pronunciation shadowing exercise. Repeat with me. I am going to eat. I am gonna eat. I am going to call you. I am gonna call you. I am going to leave soon. I am gonna leave soon.
You do not need to say gonna in professional situations, but it is good to understand how it sounds when people speak fast. Shadowing helps you train your ear to hear natural English.
Next, let's use the shadowing method in personal situations. For example, talking about your feelings, your plans, or your opinions. Shadow these sentences with me. I feel tired today. I feel happy this morning. I feel stressed about work. I want to relax later. I want to eat something healthy. I need more time to finish this.
As you repeat these sentences, you start to develop emotional vocabulary. This is important because many learners struggle to express feelings in English. Shadowing helps you build confidence so you can talk about yourself more freely.
Now, let's practice a more personal conversation. Shadow both sides.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling a little stressed.
Why are you stressed?
I have a lot of work to do.
I understand. Is there anything I can do to help?
Thank you. I think I just need some time.
That makes sense.
Great. Shadowing this kind of conversation prepares you for real interactions, whether with coworkers, friends, or family.
Another benefit of shadowing is improved listening skills. Listening is the foundation of speaking. When you shadow, you are listening and speaking at the same time. This trains your brain to process English quickly and respond without translation.
Translation is one of the biggest obstacles for English learners. Shadowing helps you stop translating and start thinking in English. When you shadow sentences like, I am walking to the store, your brain connects the meaning directly to the English words, not to your native language.
Now, let's do a daily routine shadowing drill. Repeat with us continuously. I am waking up. I am taking a shower. I am getting dressed. I am making breakfast. I am drinking coffee. I am going outside. I am taking the bus. I am going to work. I am starting my day.
You can practice this every morning, and it will help your English feel more automatic.
Another way to use shadowing is with short stories. I will read a short story, and you will shadow George as he repeats each sentence.
Let's begin. I wake up early today. I feel tired, but I get out of bed. I make a cup of coffee. I check my phone. I put on my shoes. I walk outside. The weather feels cool. I take a deep breath. I feel ready for the day.
When you shadow short stories, your brain learns to follow the rhythm of narrative English. It helps you talk about your life more clearly.
Now, let's talk about how to use shadowing every day. You do not need long sessions. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. You can shadow podcast clips, YouTube videos, English dialogues, audiobooks, or even this lesson. Choose simple English at first, then slowly increase the level.
You can also shadow while walking. Put on your headphones and repeat everything you hear. Do not worry about people around you. You are training your English muscles.
One important tip: do not try to shadow content that is too difficult. If you cannot understand the sentences, you cannot shadow them well. Start with easy content, like our podcast, simple stories, or beginner conversations. As you improve, move to intermediate material.
Another common mistake is whispering. Do not whisper. You must speak out loud. Shadowing trains your mouth, tongue, and voice. Whispering does not give your muscles the practice they need.
Now, let's do a more advanced shadowing conversation. It is still beginner-friendly, but longer.
What did you do today?
I went to the supermarket.
What did you buy?
I bought fruit, vegetables, and some bread.
Did you cook anything?
Yes, I made pasta for dinner.
How was it?
It was good. I want to cook more often.
That sounds like a good plan.
Shadowing conversations like this helps you build speaking confidence. You learn real phrases you can use immediately.
You can also shadow to improve your job communication. For example, shadow these sentences. I am joining the meeting. I am taking notes. I am writing an email. I am talking to my manager. I am finishing my task. I am asking a question.
And here is a simple work conversation for shadowing. Are you free to talk? Yes, I am free now. I need help with this task. Sure, I can help. Thank you. No problem.
Shadowing also helps you use polite English. Many learners forget to use polite phrases, but shadowing teaches them naturally. For example, please repeat. Excuse me. Can you help me? Can you repeat that, please? I am not sure. Let me check.
Now, let's practice shadowing in social situations. Repeat with me. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like living here? What are your hobbies? Do you want to grab coffee sometime?
These sentences help you build confidence in meeting new people.
Now, let's do daily life shadowing. Repeat continuously. I am washing the dishes. I am cleaning my room. I am cooking dinner. I am doing laundry. I am watching a movie. I am relaxing at home.
You can shadow these while doing your real chores. That makes your learning feel natural and connected to your life.
Here is a helpful tip. Record yourself shadowing. When you listen to yourself, you will notice big improvements over time. You will hear clearer pronunciation, smoother rhythm, and more natural flow.
Shadowing trains your brain to think quickly. If you shadow every day for 1 month, You will feel a major change in your speaking confidence. Students who use the shadowing method often say it feels like their brain switches into English mode.
Let's finish with a final shadowing routine. Repeat everything with me. I can learn English. I can speak clearly. I can improve every day. I trust myself. I am getting better. I can use English in my life. I am confident. I am ready.
Practice these daily and you will see results.
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment below, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. You can also explore English courses on Udemy for more structured learning. The link is in the video description. And if you want to support this channel, you can buy us a coffee using the link in the banner or description. Every small donation helps us continue creating lessons for learners around the world.
Keep practicing shadowing every day. Even 5 minutes makes a huge difference. We are proud of you and we hope to see you in our next lesson.
Take care, keep speaking, and keep learning.